Yeah, that's Ma, and that's Levi. Ma, Levi. Ma, Levi. Oh, yeah. Okay. Are you ready to talk? Ready to talk to the camera? Oh, you can say please? Okay. Let's talk to the camera. Good morning, guys. We are headed out to do our Christmas Day our grocery haul for our meal for Christmas Day. That didn't come out right, did it, Levi? So for those of you who've watched me for a while, you know we're pretty non-traditional when it comes to Christmas dinner. We usually do something different, and this year is no exception. You're just going to be a squirmy worm? Are you going to be a squirmy worm? Well, at least you're a smiley squirmy worm. Did you want to get down? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We are going to do tacos this year. I'm going to make a batch of queso in my Instant Pot. You want to get out the door? I closed the door on you. And we're going to have taco shells, and I think I'm going to do like steak strips for the taco meat and all of the fixings that go along with tacos. Somebody else is going to be bringing Spanish rice. I'm going to also make some black beans in my Instant Pot. So yeah, definitely non-traditional, but that's what we like to do, always pick something different. So I think I'm going to be able to find everything I need at Trader Joe's. So this should be our Christmas Trader Joe's haul, and I am taking everybody except Autumn because I have to drop off Autumn on the way to babysit, and so I will have the 4 littles with me, which is always oh so fun.
Levi, I'm gonna get that out.
Are you ready, Levi? Let's leave your blankie. Doesn't look too busy yet, so that's good. I was worried it was going to be swamped, but we did try to come early. Yeah?
That's it right there. Yeah, you don't know if that's it.
Oh, it is? No, that's a little raccoon. You gotta work harder. You gotta work harder. Oh, yeah. I know they have such pretty decorations. Yeah, hanging decorations. You see the bananas? I know, they're so tasty. Here's our list, Levi. Hey, Renee, did you want to hold the list? Okay. Oh, yeah, we'll walk over there and you'll see it. Don't worry. Green onions. Let's see, do they have cilantro? Oh, we also need lettuce. Alright, let's get some tomatoes. Let's do these ones, I guess. Did you get a good sample?
Mm-hmm. These are ginger snowball cookies.
Ooh, yum.
Snowball fight. Yeah.
Yeah, let's not do that. Is that a good sample?
Yes.
Oh, good. We did need some chips. I already got some of like the Frito type, but I wanted to get one of these. Oh, I know, they look so good. No, I don't think they have those anymore. And we have the other kinds at home. Okay, chips, yeah. What else do we have on the list? We got sour cream. Oh, we need to pick one dessert. Because I'm not cooking a dessert. No, we don't need those for Christmas.
Maybe we can get the snowball cookies, and then we have truffles.
Oh, maybe. All right, we'll think about it and see what we want to get. Here, Charity. You put these in the cart?
Ooh.
We'll get 3. That should be good.
Eva's drawing on the paper, but just with the eraser.
Oh, okay.
And this thing, I closed that thing so I couldn't mess up.
I see. All right, let's go this way, Charity.
I closed that thing so I couldn't mess up everything, and then he kind of grabbed that thing and put it on. Great!
Let's get a couple of these, I guess. So these are some of the desserts. They have a caramel apple pie. It's like a slab of pie, they call it. Apple cider donuts. I don't think I want to do donuts.
Yeah.
They're sugar-coated sugar cookies, but we just made sugar cookies.
Yeah.
There's a pie or a cake. No. Let's keep looking. Oh, there's more stuff over here. There's more stuff. There's dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's.
Yes.
Is that something you want to try? We could get one of these because it's small. And Sherry, you could pick something else.
Oh, these.
Mini cupcakes.
Yeah, mini cupcakes. Yum.
Those are gluten-free.
Maybe
Oh,
you
these
could
are some
get
big
chocolate.
gluten-free cupcakes.
Those would
Ooh, these look cool.
Ooh,
Milk
those.
chocolate cakes
I like
layered
those.
with silky mousse.
Can I get them?
Wow. We could get one because it's a little pack, so we could just get a bunch of little things.
Okay.
That's cute. Yeah, a little tiny dessert buffet.
Chocolate dip shortbread.
Chocolate dips. I don't know. I was hoping to find something gluten-free, and they do have the cupcakes that are gluten-free. Oh, those are cute cookies.
Oh, can we get that?
I'm still looking.
We have gluten-free cupcakes.
I'll think about these gluten-free cupcakes, and then let's look around the other side, and we'll see if there's something else. They have cookies and stuff over somewhere else. Oh, those are pretty. It's chocolates.
Yeah.
Those are cute. We got enough chocolate at home.
Jingle jangle. I don't know.
All right, let's keep looking. I think I might just grab those cupcakes. Okay, so they have this that has 4 different kinds of JoJo's. Let's do that instead of just the peppermint, because this one has peppermint in it.
I'll take this one and
And we're gonna be all set.
gluten-free cupcakes. There we go.
Excuse me, Tom. All right, this one. These ones kind of got messed up, so we'll get another one. Getting these. Smile. All right, we did it. And you won't believe it, it's a Christmas miracle. It was $85 even. Can you believe that, Levi? All right, I'll see if I can show you everything we got. We'll start with this bag of potatoes. This is actually for Christmas Eve. We got some organic tortilla chips, as well as these other kind of corn chips that are really, really good. Down here we got 4 tomatoes for the salsa. I'm going to do like a corn salsa, like a pico de gallo with corn in it. And we got 3 packs of the corn tortillas for the tacos. A bag of apples, and that's actually for Christmas Eve because I'm going to be making my spare ribs stuffed with prunes and apples. That is the traditional Christmas Eve dinner for our family. Hey, you can't have those. Ooh, let's keep them nice. Those are our mini cupcakes for dessert and the little mini mousse presents, which are super cute. I know you want to eat them. Did you want some chips? Okay, let's get you some chips. You say thank you. Thank you. Down here I have a couple of limes for the salsa and 2 of the sliced black olives. And we got 3 packs of the taco shells, and I got 5, I believe, of the green chilies. I'm going to stock my pantry with those, and a couple of them will be for the taco meat. And then another fun dessert. We've got the astounding multi-flavor JoJo's. They have 4 different flavors that looked so fun. What are the 4 flavors? Oh, there they are. Double chocolate, peppermint, peanut butter, and vanilla ginger. That sounded so fun. 2 bags of the organic butter lettuce, cilantro, and green onions. And then Tally and Charity really wanted to try eggnog, so we got that to have with the dessert for Christmas Day. 2 bags of the Mexican style cheese blend. I will use probably one of them for making the queso, and then the other will be for sprinkling on the tacos. 2 things of sour cream, 2 things of whipping cream, because we'll probably need that for desserts, to whip up for desserts on Christmas. 1 thing of medium salsa. And then I was going to do avocados and chop them up, but then I saw this and I was like, oh, let's just make it easy and we'll just do this chunky spicy guacamole. So that is our exactly $85 Trader Joe's haul.